Hi guys, welcome back to the complete WordPress, Facebook and Instagram course. Alright, in this lecture I'm going to be letting you guys know about the technologies that we'll be using. Okay, so basically, what technology will we be using? WordPress, okay, is actually the first one. Alright, in a non-geek speak, which is actually layman terms, okay, WordPress is actually a web publishing software that you can use to create your own website or blog. Okay, since it was released in 2003, right, it has been very popular, okay, and it powers nearly 30% of the entire web. Okay, so basically, right, using WordPress, we can actually make any type of website that we want. Okay, nowadays it's mostly used for blogs, e-commerce website and corporate websites. Alright, it's actually multifunctional and that's why we'll be using it. Okay, so next is Facebook, Instagram. I think most of you guys already know what this is. Alright, so I'm gonna tell you a short story about them. Is that in 2012, right, Facebook bought over Instagram for $1 billion, and in 2014, Facebook also bought over WhatsApp for $19 billion. Okay, WhatsApp is still not comprehensively used in Facebook yet. Just a minority portion of it is actually used there. So our main focus will actually be on Facebook and Instagram. Alright, in layman terms, all these three are linked together to form a social media powerhouse for business. Okay, we'll be harnessing the power of these channels to drive leads to our WordPress website. Alright, so this is what I call the simple, effective strategy. Okay, so basically, right, what I'll be learning throughout the whole thing, right, is actually the process of, let's say, a customer visits your sees your Facebook and Instagram ads online, okay, and they visit your Facebook and Instagram page. If they like your product, right, they immediately visit your website, and from there, right, they actually convert into a sale, either via inquiring about your product, okay, or buying straight away from an e-commerce store. Alright, and that translates into money. Okay, so this is the end of this lecture, right? I'm gonna focus more on this in the next few parts. Okay, thanks.